All right, back we go. Another video. It is Sunday, October 24th. Looking at some of these movers and potential movers. And Friday was insane because of the moves. You had the Trump um, social media site, DWAC, I think it's Digital World, it's called. He's trying to develop a digital platform. I guess it's going to be like Facebook, Twitter, something like that. And all these stock moved. Sympathy plays, all kinds of moves. Let's look at fun. Let me pull this up on FinViz. Funware. Funware Incorporated Technology Software, 589 million market cap, only 8.2 million sales. Institutions own 23%, insiders 6.4%, float 68 million. And let's look exactly what they do. Together, subsidiaries provide integrated software platform that equips companies, products, solutions, services to engage, manage, monetize mobile application portfolios worldwide. Has a software license development kits. I'm trying to read through all this. Cloud based. Incorporated 2009, Austin, Texas. And yeah, this was part of the stocks. It just went crazy. Crazy. This move on this candle here, you can see this is big spinning top candle with a high and a low, like a big indecision candle. They actually brought it. Let's look here. Low 265, high 2404. So they brought it up and they brought it down really far from that high. Still look at the wick in between, the middle part here where it landed. Let's look at news here. So, excuse me. October 19th, they acquired innovative high performance computer company, closes for light technology. And October 22nd is when this moved. Evergrande surprise. They paid off that bond payment. Trump's new truth, Funware, fun Bitcoin weirdness. Just reading all the FinViz news. Funware soars and rumor it will be working with Trump. Funware stock surges as a Trump-linked SPAC heads for 1,300%. Latest meme stock, Trump SPAC. The mother meme fall as retail investors rotate into frothy MAGA meme trade. So, this is all speculation. You had Fun. What else? Mark, DWAC. Getting on a list here that moved, all pretty much the same. BENE. There's a ton. All right, let's look at the stock though. This came about 2019. This was as high as not really 550. They did a split, I believe. They do a reverse split. Let me look here in the weekly. I thought they did a split. Maybe they didn't. Usually they have a split, but I don't see it. This one up, whatever it was, but that was very high. Stocks are not going to stay 550 like a penny stock like this. It did come down, as you can see in 2019. Then it really got into this level. You could say 250 to about 50 cents. Look at this for like years, like 2 years, back and forth. Trading it back and forth. You're not getting much range. It did make a nice move January 2021. Then look at this, flat for almost a year. And then this news comes up with Trump, and off we go to the races. Look at this volume. This candle here, see, this was probably the tip off. You see little blips here. I mean, you could have took a shot here. If you follow this stock, you're like, that's an interesting candle. Look how it's bigger than all the rest. There's little opening. And look at the volume. It was 91 million. Yeah, back here, what did it do? Like 156 million. It started to move up. I bet if I look on American Bulls, it's a site where you can, check, the stocks, what they're going to do. They give out like, buy sell levels, all algo based. That was a nice candle here. I bet it had something there. All right, let's look at the weekly here. And look at that wick here. That's why I put my retracement level all the way up here to the bottom now. Because that is the high wick, unless you want to do it all the way back here, but this is the closest one now. And look at that shooting star wick. Monthly, you're not going to see much this in the monthly. You can see the EMA is coming down on this. And on the daily, you can see here. All right, let's go to the 5 minutes, see what happened here. This is a great day trade. If you caught this. All right, when did that news come out, or what was this pump exactly? 6:45 a.m. It started to come out, and the volume here was, millions you're getting here. And when this went up, look at this, the 6. Now, on this one, you day trade, people, you can do whatever you want. I just go by, you try to do things that make sense. You go here to really this tight little $1 move. Look how tight that is. That is going to blow you out. It's too small of a range on these candles. You could easily be washed out down here. So I bring it a little bit of bigger space. Look at that. Give yourself the 4 or this low here, you could say, 457. Look at this move. Comes up. You have a winding, like ascending triangle here. There's your high. You put it right there, and it breaks it. It's a very fast move at 9 a.m. Little curl right here. 13 over 20 EMA. Oh, that's 1 candle, 2 candles. It looks like it did here a halt. Another candle, and there's your shooting star wick. Very easy to read as it's going. I mean, if you're in here, it's even easier. It's hard to say as it's moving, but on the 5 minute, that's a shooting star sell candle after a run up. You got to remember, it's run up from, and this started pre-market, was the low in this. 4:05 a.m., 265. And this high went to 24. So that is a massive move for a penny stock. What's that, like 22 about? And look at the move. See, once you see here, that is a shooting star. So you got to know what candles mean. That's a red candle. Shooting star means it's like a burst. When you see a shooting star in the sky, it burns out so much. It pushes so far. You see the tail, and it's streaking across the sky because it just burned out. It pushed so much into it. It can't push no more energy into it. It's almost like a stock. It pushed so far up, and then look what happens. You have a halt down. It goes back almost to the original price. So this was a quick pump on the news, rumors, sympathy play. They all got involved. Once they hear that news of Trump or fund might be involved in Trump, who knows if it's true or not? It doesn't matter. But look how it goes. This is a great move. And you get the 10 minute here. You can see here you can see the shooting star, and it's right down. Now, if you're a rookie trader, you're like, yeah, it's going to keep down. That's what you got to know what this means. That's a shooting star means get out. And look what happened. 15 minute, you can see. Now, go back to the 3 minute. Yeah, 3 minutes going to bring you a little closer. You can see here, halt. It keeps holding. A 3 minute, was good on this too, because it gave you this, and it gave you, 3 minutes here, that big move to get out. And there's huge profit here. You didn't even need a lot of money. 100 shares, a few hundred. You're killing it. It did hold back here at 6 to the 30 minute. Now, what's this going to do now? It did move up. You like to see this hold 6, like a new base. Maybe this can move back up. Like, this is a big range now. That's why I put the retracement here from this low. I mean, you can put it to the all-time low. There's another move here that looks like 50 cents if you want to play it that way. But I'm playing it this way because this is the move now, the newest move. This range, no one knows what's going to happen with this. They could spike this up again tomorrow. We go up here. They could put in a big fader back here. Or like a spike up and it fades back, one of them moves. You don't know exactly. But it's going to be, you have 817 million volume. This ain't going to drop tomorrow to like nothing. It's going to be some sort of big move within here. And, either way, I'm not going to say, oh, hold, it's just going to keep going up. No, there's no way you say that to someone that doesn't understand trading or anything. Watch it tomorrow. Watch pre-market. This is clearly a day trade where it's going to be big moves up and down. And you could probably make profit both ways in this. We'll see what happens in this. We'll see where this goes. The market's firing back up with these small caps, big moves. Trump, getting involved with that stock site. Yeah, who knows if it's real? It's all this. That's what it is too. Any stock, all these small caps, even like higher price stocks, a lot of it's speculation, news, rumor. A lot of it is BS. That's how people make money in the market. Like someone bought down here, or even down here, maybe they're holding this. Look what happened here. Yeah, they know it's going to go to 24 now. They're probably hoping for a move on this. They read in the fundamentals, or like, yeah, this could move back up. They saw what it did before, but they were sitting on this maybe, for 3 years, maybe more, for hoping that some sort of move would happen. Technology software company, not $1 billion company, 589 million. There's a lot of ways traders are playing this. And then people jump in when it's late on the stock, and look what happens. It goes up here. Someone bought at 24. Can you imagine this? Someone bought right here on this wick. Excuse me. This 5 minute, 8.5 million. Someone got caught up here. There's probably short sellers, so they shorted it, but people are caught because they don't understand trading. So incredible move. We're going to see what happens with this. It's in a new category now. Once you break out like this, it's probably going to have heavy volume for a while now. We'll see what happens with this. So that's it. We will watch fun, and the fun will begin on Monday on Fun, PHUN, and more of these stocks. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Gamer Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button. Check out my links below. Social media. I got a TrustZone VPN. Check that out. It's really cool. You can put your computer IP address in any part of the world. They can't trace you, which is good. And that's it. We'll be back for more videos. Peace.